Yeah, clear visible.
Okay, that's great. So let's begin. First of all, we apologize for the inconvenience and thank you so much for your patience. So, to all the campus ambassadors, congratulations. We were very happy with your applications and the forms that you guys submitted. It was amazing. And let's have the enthusiasm and good intentions going on. So let's begin.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
about us. I'm sorry. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead, Sanya.
Okay.
Please don't unmute yourself, guys.
Yeah. Mm, wait, what's going on here? Okay. So about us. Can someone tell me what all you guys know about GSoC? Like, just give me a word.
Related to real life projects.
That's correct. You can I hear something more?
Open source contribution platform.
That's also correct.
Upskilling and upskilling in technical skills as well as soft skill.
It's a
That's
community. It's a community where approximately, different people are welcome to contribute to large scale projects,
that's
including
also correct.
It is
Yeah, go on, please go on.
It's
open
a
source
kind of
contribution.
empower
That
the team community.
that's also correct.
Growth
It
and
helps it helps
to
the
build.
participants to learn real world software development through contributing on GitHub also.
That's
Learning
correct.
people management.
It's
A
like
team
a
can be
similar
formed which
program
can work
to
on different
Google
projects
Summer of Code,
collectively.
where we contribute to different projects from different organizations.
That's correct. So I think you guys all know about GSOC, which is amazing. So brownie points to all of you. So since we already know, and I think we are already late, but still I'm just gonna go through it. So yes, we are GSOC, Girls Give Some of Code. We have projects coming in and we help you guys with open contributions. We also help with, it- having experience, improving them and building connections and learning from our peers and seniors and also helping juniors or learning from them. Everything is there. So let's go on. So here's the team. You guys already know Harsha. He's the program manager. I am Sanya, I'm one of the community moderators. And with me is Varun, who is also a community moderator. We'll be handling the team. With me is Raksha, who is also one of the operations manager. And if you guys have any doubts or queries, just tag us core team and we'll be there to help you guys out on the Discord server. Then what is Campus Ambassador? So this is one of the program that we have. The other programs we have involve project admins, mentors, and contributors. You guys are selected as campus ambassadors, which is a student-driven initiative where you guys will represent GSOC in your respective colleges. You guys will spread awareness about open source, promote our events, and help with the participation, basically to build a vibrant tech community. So it is a great opportunity to gain leadership experience, grow your network, and be a part of national level movement. Now the planning. So we have planned for that Campus Ambassador will go about 13 weeks, where we'll give you a curated set of tasks every week, which will be tailored to enhance your skills and involvement. We also have a progress tracking spreadsheet that we will be sharing with you guys in about, I'll say, 1 to 2 days. It'll be shared on Discord, and if you guys don't get that, we will be sharing with you via the mails and everything. So don't worry, we'll be sharing you guys everything. Now, the Excel will I'll also show you the Excel that we have to tell you how you have to submit the task and everything. And each specific task has a specific point based on its complexity and the impact. Now, the key responsibilities: you have to present and promote GSOC, and its initiatives and programs. Now, I hope some of you know that every Sunday we have educational outreach program, which is a very amazing opportunity to learn from industry experts who are already working in that field. They will share their experience with you, and you can ask them questions if you have any queries for any career related guidance. Then we also engage and organize, where we conduct peer outreach, just like I mentioned, encourage participation, and you guys can also help with coordinating campus level activities such as info sessions, webinars, and awareness campaigns. That's up to you. Then you guys have to submit weekly task updates via the provided spreadsheet every Sunday. You can share your feedback or maintain consistent communication with the program team. Then let's go with task categories. So we have the tasks that we have basically involve promotion and awareness, where you guys will be sharing posters, reels, and announcements in your college WhatsApp groups, Instagram stories, and other student platforms. Just one thing, I hope I'm not going too fast. Please let me know if you guys are, having any doubts or queries. I'll explain that, okay? Just anyone can say okay. Hello.
Yeah. It's visible.
Okay. So first, you'll be responsible for promotion and awareness. This includes sharing posters, reels, and announcements in your college WhatsApp groups, Instagram stories, and other student platforms. Sometimes you would also make announcements in class or during student events. Next, you will focus on engaging your campus community. You will be encouraging your peers to attend our events, register for workshops, or take part in challenges. You will also help us understand what students at your campus are actually interested in, so we can tailor our campaigns better. Now, you'll also get involved in event coordination. If we are hosting a webinar or a campus contest, you would help with things like spreading the word, getting permissions, or setting up logistics if it's an offline event. Then there's a bit of reporting involved too, like I previously mentioned. So this is basically just a quick summary of what you did, how people responded, and any feedback you gathered. We'll also have occasional virtual check-ins to support you and share upcoming tasks. Another optional but fun part of this role is content creation. If you enjoy making reels, taking pictures, or designing quick posts, we'd love to see your creativity shine through. Lastly, there will be a few simple targets to meet, like getting a certain number of people to register, sharing content with a minimum number of students, or referring your friends to join our platform. The goal is to keep it light, fun, and rewarding, both for you and your campus. Now, the platforms that we'll be using. For communication, I hope most of you are already there on Discord. We have your mail IDs, so we'll also use that. And for regular check-ins, we'll be using Gmeet or Zoom, whichever is feasible. Task management is definitely spreadsheet. And promotion and outreach, that's up to you. It can be Instagram, LinkedIn, or Discord based on the task that we'll provide you. Then let's go with skills you'll gain. So, now that I've said about the task explanation, I think you guys must have got the gist of these other skills that can help you out. Leadership, because you'll be taking charge of what you guys stood for, you guys are responsible for. Communication, as you guys will be talking with your peers, with your seniors, juniors, with us, and more industry leaders. Marketing and promotion, social media management, networking, event planning, problem solving and feedback handling, and obviously professional experience. Then, now the perks. So, obviously, you guys are gonna work so hard, so you guys deserve the rewards. Now, the platinum category is where you get a certificate, a letter of recommendation, swags, which are currently these, but if you guys do an amazing job, we will increase this. So if you guys have any feedbacks, do mention that later in the meeting, or take your time, that's also fine. So these are the perks for platinum category who are the campus legend. They'll also get a badge, whose sample I'll show you in a bit. So pens, stickers, badge, diary, and anything, any one of these. If it's so great, then you might get all of this. So fingers crossed. Then gold, who will get the tag of the trailblazer. You guys will get certificate, LOR, pen, diary, badges, and stickers. For silver, who are the catalyst, don't worry, we also have certificate, pens, stickers, and badges for you. For bronze, who are explorer, we have certificate for you. But don't worry, we have the task, so we have made sure that most of you get into these three categories. For this, you guys have to do a bit more work, but it also depends on tasks. So all the best. Now this is the badge sample. It's for bronze, but for other categories, we have even better samples. So don't worry about the color theme or anything. Also, if you guys have any idea that you would like your badges to be, you are free to share. We appreciate and support all creativity, and we also appreciate proper communication. So that's there. Then now let me show you guys our this. Is this visible to all of you? Can anyone confirm? Hello.
Sanya, it's visible.
Thank you. So guys, we have made sure to add all your names here. Once we share the sheet, just make sure that your name is here so that you won't be missing out on any this task. We have added your LinkedIn so that we can track and you can also connect. Your Instagram IDs are there. I just want to make a request to people who haven't given their Insta ID. Can you share so that we can also check the task, whichever task you submit on your Instagram post or stories or be it in form of reel. So it can also be uh, easier for us to track, and you can also connect with us. Now we got to know that some of you are not able to get your referral code. So we have made sure that your referral codes are here. Just go through it once and let us know if you have any more doubts once the meeting is over. Now these are the first week tasks. Next, your first week's tasks. You guys will make your work here and you add the link in the same row as your name. Let's say if it's Sanya. So we have 4 Sanyas. That's okay. We'll freeze this up and you'll add the respective link here. We'll cross check this, so no cheating. And if you guys have any queries related to task or anything, you guys can add it here. Now this sheet will be locked for the most part of the time. It will only open on Sundays, that too only for 12 hours from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, since most of you have shared your mails, so that's fine. And we have the LinkedIn and Instagram IDs. We have this one sheet. This will be open throughout the event. You can add your date, your name, and your query, grievance, suggestion, or feedback. You can explain it here, and if you have any link based idea, you can add the links here. It can be anonymous, but in case of anonymous, you might have to connect with any one of the core team member on Discord. But that's okay. Just make sure that if you share your problems, okay, because it's an open community. So please don't be shy. If you have facing any problems, make sure you inform us so that we can help you guys out. Then I also got to know some of you were not able to get the link, the referral code. So here's the referral code, and like tap it here and you'll directly get this. If you guys are facing any OTP issues, I'll say take a moment, like give it 15 to 30 hours, 15 to 30 minutes. Then try again to log in. You get the OTP on your registered ID, and you can just log in directly. You'll get this page, and you can join the Discord here. Okay, that was all, I think, and this is finally happening. So now I am done. Okay, now let's start with the doubts. Mm, wait, I'll stop sharing the screen. So people who have doubts, please raise your hands. We'll go accordingly, okay? Okay, so Harsh Thakur, can you unmute yourself and let us know your doubt? Are you not able to unmute yourself? Okay, no worries. Then, yes.
Okay, let's pick up from probably from the chat.
Okay. So if we want to contribute in GSoC project, what should we do? Okay. Oh, yes, I think I forgot to mention this. So campus ambassadors, you guys are free to participate in other programs that we have, that is program admins, mentors, or contributors. But make sure you work in any one of the three, not all of them, okay? I'll repeat the sheet section. When will campus ambassador close? We'll just start it, so we'll close. It'll take a while for us to close. This contributor registration will start, I'll say next week, right, Raksha?
Yeah, we'll start with it soon. Just stay tuned. And I think now you guys can also unmute yourself. But yeah. Or Aditya, can you try unmuting yourself?
So
Hello,
the ref,
am I audible?
yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, so I was asking, my Instagram is very private one. Like I have no friends over there, only family. So do I really need to provide Instagram ID?
See, it's if there are some tasks that you wanna do it via Instagram, then you might have to, because you'll be sharing the link. And if we, but it's up to you, I guess. Like, I think Raksha can answer this better, right?
Yeah,
Raksha?
so basically, it's we have tasks, we have points for each and every task. So you might choose another option, or probably you might lose up points for that particular task, and then you can cover up for other tasks. That's up to you. But yeah, like
Can
So
I
it's
ask a
not
question?
mandatory, like it's optional, right?
yeah. So basically, it's like you would actually lose up points, uh, for a task if it's an Instagram specific task. But other than that, there is no con of it. Yeah.
If we have no Instagram, but we have a YouTube channel, so can we do the task
Yeah,
of
yeah,
Instagram?
sure. But that we'll share up the task list, and then you can obviously discuss it up, and then we can take that up. Also,
So
let's
Hello, ma'am.
pick
about
up
our
one by one, please.
you
Let's give chance to each and every one. Okay.
Hello,
Where
ma'am.
where
Can
should
you
I share my
explain
Instagram?
what we have to do in the first column
Please
of the sheet?
Guys,
mute.
let's not create chaos, okay? We'll wanna solve every doubt. So let's just raise your hands and we'll call you out and then unmute yourself so that you can also hear it properly, right? So Viha, can you unmute yourself?
So my doubt was, can I do events like apart from my college, not only limited to my college?
I'm sorry, can you repeat?
Can I get the registrations and stuff from other colleges also, not limiting it to my college?
Yeah, that's up to you.
Okay.
That's up to you. That's not an issue. Okay, Shivani.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you just please repeat that Excel part once again? As I was facing some network issue.
Yeah, sure. So about the Excel, I'll share it once. I'll share the also to those who are thinking where the Excel sheet is. We'll share it with you in about 1 to 2 days. And to those who are not able to get the referral code, we made sure that your referral IDs are there. I'll share the Excel sheet once again with you guys. So to those who have the Excel sheet related doubt, let's solve it first. Okay. So first up, your names are here. All your names are here. Your LinkedIn IDs that you provided are here. The Instagram IDs that you provided are here. And all the referral codes which belong and the referral code that belongs to you are here. Okay. Uh, can you mute this for a while? Like,
Team,
what's
we
your
will
query?
mute each and every one. Please do not unmute if your name is not called. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. So these are the first week tasks that we're just sharing with you right now. Let's say since you guys have already onboarded on this orientation, you guys can share the minutes of the meeting, and in that you can also add your queries that you were not solved by us, so that we can get back to you and we can solve them out. So just share the minutes of the meeting. It can be on doc or anything you prefer. You just have to add the link, right? Let's say there's some doc link that I made. For this, I have the minutes of the meeting there, and the link can be added here. Now, when you share your offer letters, the mail IDs that you got, the mail that you got, not mail ID, the mail you got, you can share your LinkedIn. Many of you shared it on your LinkedIn. You can add that link, so that also helps with the task. Now, this is just a sample task, by the way, guys. So we might be changing a bit of you, so that's why I will share it with you later, not now. Then when you let's say about circulating any post, so you guys are gonna make the post, and whichever platform you're circulating it through, just add the links of those platforms and we'll cross check it with you, and then based on that you'll get the points. And for any queries or anything in this week, you can add it up here. Is it clear now?
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I know it?
Yeah, go on, Lalit. I think no?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
share this link for this?
Sharing the link.
Yes, for this Excel
Oh,
sheet.
yeah, that's what I said. We'll share the link via Discord, and if you guys want, we'll also mail it to you guys.
How to share Instagram ID with you?
Or just once we share the link, for this Excel on Sunday, like I mentioned, from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. you guys can only get the access for this sheet. Just add it up like on the same row as your name. You can find your name. Just do Control F. Honestly, this is shortcut and type it out. Let's say Sana.
So I have a question. Where we get that Excel sheet spreadsheet link?
In about 1 to 2 days. Don't worry. By Sunday, you'll get the Excel
Via,
sheet,
via
and
mail or in the Discord?
mostly Discord. But if we'll also try to do it via mail. Okay.
Okay, okay. I have another doubt. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Go on.
I got. It's okay.
Ma'am,
So
how
generally, I get a referral code. I didn't get any link, and I got the mail that I was selected for that campus ambassador program, and I got by clicking on the link, I am redirected to the website where I have applied to, and then I get a referral code. So when the registration for the contributor start, there is any option to get that code in the my code to get registered.
Okay, so about that, you have your referral code. Like I have added the referral codes here. You can use your referral codes, and if someone is applying as a contributor, mentor, or program admin, they can use your code they can add your code in the form that we'll give out. And let's say if someone join us using your code, you get extra points for that.
Got it. Okay. I have another doubt that the application for the contributor project admin started or not?
No, not yet. We'll be beginning it by next week max.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. This is my doubt.
Can an
Thank you.
ambassador also join as contributor?
Okay, guys. I don't
How to
think we
share
can
the
hear
Guys,
properly.
let's do it one by one, like we were
Yeah,
doing
let's
it
go one by
previously.
one. So
Sure.
we have.
Ma'am, can I go first?
Let's follow the order because everyone is waiting up.
Yeah, everyone is
Ma'am,
waiting. So
can I ask my doubt now?
uh,
Kashish, please wait. I think let's follow the order because people did raise up their hands
yeah,
a bit earlier.
so I
Let's
think
follow.
Ananya is waiting for a long time. No? Let's give her a
Yeah,
chance. So
yeah.
Ananya, let's go.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, ma'am. So actually, there are semester exams going on in my college for the upcoming month, the whole month. So, but I'll be doing my task, but I don't know if the people are going to register. So, is it okay for them to continue after the semester exams, or like, is there any way it should only started before on these weeks, ma'am, like the starting 1 2 weeks?
What task?
No, ma'am. For the contributors, I have to
Yeah.
send.
Okay, so once we start the forms, no, the form will be active for a bit of a long time for contributors. Okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
so they can just register. I think that take about 5 to 10 minutes max.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
if you feel like we missed, if the form is closed and you feel like this person really wants to, you can just let the core team know, and
Okay,
we'll
ma'am.
listen to you and we'll help you out with that. Okay.
So they can, after registering for the GSOC, they can just continue contribution after the exams, right?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, yeah. That's totally up to them.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
The open contribution will be totally up to them. They'll look up the projects, and the program admins and mentors will be there to help you guys out.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Okay.
Ma'am,
Will
not
we
in a
get
meeting
any
in a
physical
while.
ID
Wait,
card
let's
kind of something?
Let's
wait.
move
Maha,
ahead with Mehak.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Ma'am, will we get any kind of like physical ID card for being the campus ambassador in our universities?
physical. I don't think that will be possible to give because we have a lot of campus ambassadors and we're gonna have a lot of contributors. So we have to see that. But I think Raksha can take up this question.
And ma'am, what we have to do with our referral code, like we have to just spread it through the matlab, social media kind of.
See, once the program admin, mentors, and contributors ka form starts, no, you can just ask your friends, or you can spread about it. Okay, Open's contribution is gonna start, and whoever joins, who like obviously there are gonna be people who are gonna register, right? So if there's someone who is gonna join after listening through you, they're gonna use your code, and we can track your progress. Like we'll know ki, oh, got someone here, you did such an amazing job that you pitched this, so we're gonna give you extra points on the task.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Good evening,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, will it show to us that someone joined with our link?
um we'll inform you guys that it's mostly up to us, but we'll let you guys know whoever joins via your link.
Okay, let's.
Lakshmi, you can go.
Hello, ma'am.
Wait, Lakshmi, she's waiting for a
Yes.
long time.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
follow the
Good
queue,
evening, ma'am.
guys. Yeah, good
Ma'am,
evening.
I couldn't understand what is regarding the attend an onboarding or orientation session and share the minutes of the meeting.
Okay, so basically, whatever you understood in this meeting, okay, that's what you have to share so that we can also know key whatever you got the idea of and what you're still curious about or you doubt haven't been solved. It's
Okay.
basically for us so that we can help you guys be comfortable with the task, and it doesn't create chaos and panic, because we also understand there might be some of you who are having your exams right now, or someone who's like they're busy,
Yes.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
I also have another doubt, ma'am.
yeah,
Like,
sure.
how many points do we need to get the badges like bronze, silver, gold, and platinum?
We'll be sharing that with you guys soon.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. And also, you asked just to circulate about the GSoC via posters, no, ma'am. We have to share it via Instagram or LinkedIn, and then post the link there, ma'am. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome. So you can share whichever platform you want or you're comfortable with. Just shares the link, like you said only, so that we
Okay.
can also go back and do, and we have special rewards for the posts who are really amazing with the work and content. We'll also post on GSoC ID. All the
Okay,
best.
ma'am. Ma'am, even if we do not have an Instagram account, like we can use any one of our clubs in our college and circulate through it, no, ma'am.
Yeah, that's totally up to you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you
Okay,
so much.
Uday.
Apart from doing registrations, do you need to have do any other task as well?
Nick. Okay. So other tasks.
Team will
Yeah,
share.
we have other tasks for you guys. So, but let's follow the queue, guys. Like, let's respect the. You know, the- I think some of them
Hello.
are waiting for really long time. Yeah, Uday, you can ask.
Oh, I wanted to ask like if I'm a campus ambassador now and I want to start a project which I'm currently working on as a open source project. So can I be a project admin in the GSoC itself?
Yeah, yeah. If you're campus ambassador, you can join any one of the three roles, that being project admin or mentor or contributor. But if you're project admin, then you might not be able to join as a contributor or a mentor. Okay.
Okay. And ma'am, what are the difference
But
between project
I need to
admin and
know like
mentor?
Okay, so project admins are the ones who share their project, who want their project to be worked on, and mentors are someone who help project admins in making the track of how many contributors are there and solve any tech related doubts. And they also work with the project admins to, like, they can also come up with new projects as well.
Okay.
ma'am,
That's all.
do we need to keep proposals for the contributor application in GSoC like GSoC?
Suppose. I don't think I get your question. Can you repeat?
We need to keep the proposals for the contribution application for the organizations in GSoC? Go-
I think Daksha can take this up. Daksha?
Proposals, yeah. Proposals as in, are you talking about the projects as a project admin?
Not like it. We need to keep the proposals for GSoC organization for selection, right? So selection criteria. Is there any selection criteria for GSoC like girls?
So this is a GSoC, Campus Ambassador is a program of GSoC. So basically we have four categories: are the Campus Ambassador, Mentor, Project Admin, or Contributor. In which category are we talking about?
In contributor category, when we
Okay.
apply to the contributor application, we need to keep the proposals for selecting the organizations and submit the proposals according to them.
No, no. So basically, for an just for being a contributor, once you get into the program, you can select any of the project that you would want to choose and start contributing. That's extremely simple.
Okay, for any organization, there is
Yep,
no. Okay,
yep. There's no limitation.
okay.
Okay, let's move
In
ahead.
the registration form, can we fill the
Sure. Can we pick up your doubt like a bit later? Like let's have Bhumika. Let's
okay,
her
okay.
talk first. Thanks for your understanding. Bhumika, go ahead. Okay, I think Bhumika dropped. Kashish, you can go ahead.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
I wanted to ask that if my Instagram account is private and I have to post on Instagram, and if even if I share the link, you won't able to see it. So do we have to make our accounts private public?
No, no, yeah, that's what I just said. Someone also had this doubt. So about that, it's okay for you to not share your Instagram ID for whichever post you circulate. No, whichever post like whichever task is about circulating something or sharing something, just share us the link of the platform that you are using. Let's say you're using LinkedIn for that. Okay, so
Oh,
you can just
okay. So
share us.
except LinkedIn or with LinkedIn.
It can be anything, like if you're using LinkedIn or Twitter or any other platform, you can just share the link for that platform.
Okay, okay. And what if you're sharing an Excel sheet with us and we have to edit it with in front of our name? Is there any chance that anybody can just edit it again?
No, for that we'll make sure to have we have the record for all of this. So we won't be giving you the editor access, we'll be giving you the commenter access, right? Where you'll
Okay.
comment. I hope so I'll okay, I have the editor access as of now. So there's a commenter access. I hope you guys are familiar with that. And you guys just
Yes.
make a comment there so that you can only we can cross check your work, and we once we cross check the work, you will see that the link is already accepted there, because we
Thank you,
also
ma'am.
understand there might be chances of that happening, although we trust you guys a lot. So we hope that doesn't happen, but we also make sure for that not to happen.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, will you share this spreadsheet link on the email, please?
Yeah, sure. Okay, Kashish, is your doubt solved? Hello, Kashish?
All right, let's move ahead.
Ayushman Ghosh, you can take up.
Excuse me, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Ma'am, sorry to say, but I have joined the meeting very later part and I was unable to listen the initial part of this meeting. So can you please provide me a brief summary what you have discussed in the meeting from the earlier time? It will be beneficial for others as well.
Okay, so I'll just share the PPT. It's basically like, help informing you guys about, I'll share the important parts, okay? So the planning is about that you guys will have 13 weeks with you guys. So we'll be giving you tasks. They won't be very hectic, or like we'll make sure they're, friendly and can help you with enhancing your skills. And we have like the spreadsheet that I was sharing previously. We have that. So on that spreadsheet, you'll be just adding up the link as you heard, like we were discussing about that. And we have a point system for each task. Then the next thing is just key responsibilities that you promote and present. You will engage with us, you'll help us with the participation. And if you guys want us to, invite any industry leader for giving a speech, or, get like providing an experience or any sort of thing, you guys just can inform us, and we'll try our best to make sure that we can have them with us so that you can have direct one-to-one contact, like talk with them. And that's the major part that we had. Then we have the task categories. Like the task whichever we give you guys will mostly involve these, which will be promotion and awareness, engaging your campus community, event coordination, weekly and monthly reporting. Like we'll have regular meetups to make sure that you guys are well settled with the task and have no like doubt or any sort of disturbance or anything. Then we also have to make sure that like, we make sure that your creativity is also enhanced, so we have some few tasks for that. Then the tools and platforms that we'll be mostly using are first Discord, like you guys are already there on the Discord server. Then mail, we have the mail IDs and we have sent you mails also. Gmeet or Zoom for regular check-ins or interactive meetups. Then for task management, we have the spreadsheet that I already showed. And promotion outreach, it's not limited to this. You can have any other social media platform that you guys are comfortable with. Then comes the perks that we have. So obviously, hard work needs reward, and we will make sure that you guys are rewarded. For bronze, we'll also share the point system with you guys later. Okay, so stay tuned for that. For bronze, they'll only get certificate. The silver category, who are the catalyst, they'll get pens, stickers, and badges. For gold, we have LOR, pen, diary, badges, and stickers. And for platinum, who are the campus legend, they'll get all these perks. So also, if you guys feel like you want, you know, something else to be added or like have some ideas for this, do share that up. And this is the sample badge. You can also share other designs if you guys want to. That's also completely fine with us. Like I said, this is an open community and we appreciate proper communication and creativity. We are here to learn and appreciate this journey. So that was most of it.
Team, we will also be uploading it on YouTube, so you can always refer back and watch it up.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. And what's the duration of this program, ma'am?
13 weeks. 12 to 13 weeks.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Oh, let's move ahead. Kashish, do you have any more doubts?
I think we were done with questions. Kashish, do you have any other doubt?
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Aishwarya, please wait for a while. Let's have
Okay, okay.
Pooja go
Okay, okay.
first. Pooja, do you have any doubt?
Okay, let's come back to Pooja. Sachin.
Sachin? Sachin, do you have any doubt?
Audible if you are trying to say something.
Okay, people who don't have doubts can please lower your hands. I guess there's some issue from network there. It's okay. Ashwarya, you can go take up now.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes. Can I get the recordings of this session, the whole recording?
Yeah, we'll put it up on our YouTube and we'll share the link also
Okay.
on the Discord.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah,
Ma'am, how?
people whose doubts are solved, I think they're free to leave.
Excuse
Riyanshi,
me,
are you
ma'am.
there?
Hello.
Guys, let's wait up.
Ma'am, how to get the endpoint?
Let's take the doubts in the order. So,
Riyanshi?
Yes, ma'am. And I want to ask that like boys can also act as mentors and all, like they are not able to act like contributor, but they can join as a mentor or not.
Campus ambassadors, no?
Like no, like we are campus investor, but now we have to promote this, so boys can also join as mentors. Like I want to ask that if in my college boys can also join as mentors or not.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
they can't. They are not able to join as a contributor.
That's not how it goes. They are free to join. They are free to take up any role they want. If they want to join
That
as
means
contributor, that's also fine. Like, there's no limit to that.
means it's not limited to girls only.
No, it's not limited to girls.
Ma'am, how to get ma'am on point?
But ma'am, I have to ask like if we did these types of advertisement on our LinkedIn and Insta, and we pass our referral code there, so it will give benefits to us, and like how.
So first up is like we'll be also tracking the participation that's done through your link, like the participants who join and inform us that they used your link, which tells us that okay, you informed them about this opportunity. So we have extra points for them.
Okay. Like if we join as a contributor there, so that one can be added in our website.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait.
Yeah, let's.
I think next is Niharika.
Ma'am, the posters will be provided by you, or should we make the posters, ma'am?
You guys have to make the posters.
Okay, thank you.
Manas P?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, I want to know how to share the minutes of the meeting.
We'll be sharing the link for the spreadsheet, so you can just add up the link. Like if you're using Google Doc, no, so you get the link for that doc, right?
Okay. And we will get any virtual card as CA like ID card, digital card, anything.
I think Raksha can take this up. Raksha?
We don't have that as a plan for now, but we can discuss it with the team and let you know.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can I ask?
Sure, Pooja. Go.
Yeah, Pooja.
Ma'am, what are the necessary things which we have to put in that poster which we publish?
We'll give you the theme and we'll give you, like the what we want in that poster. So accordingly, you guys can design that. It's totally your creativity.
Okay. And if anybody who joins through our referral code, uh, if anyone get into Campus Ambassador through our my referral code, so can I gain any point or?
Yes, you'll definitely get points.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Hello, ma'am.
you.
Hello, ma'am.
Daisy, yeah, you can say.
Ma'am, whether we can create another LinkedIn profile to share all these posts?
That's up to you. Because like we said, we won't limit you guys to use particular something. Whichever platform you're comfortable with, whichever ID you guys are comfortable with, just share that. Make sure it's public so that we can also see it. That's
Okay. Ma'am, also sharing with minute of meeting, we need to create a LinkedIn post and share that link, particular link in that box.
yeah. So whichever like you have to share the link for whichever work you're doing. We make sure we make the task like that so that you guys can also see each other's task and all that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, is there any type of WhatsApp group where we can get the details?
Wait. I'm sorry, Harsh. Let's take a pro, accordingly. So like, we have people who are waiting for a long time. So let's go with that. Lavanya?
Ma'am, I have referred my friend with my referral code as she was also filling the form of CA. In the referral code, even though she pasted that and the form was not submitting and it was asking that please give a URL, then what to do at that point of time? Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Lavanya, could you repeat your question?
As I shared my referral code with one of my friend who was applying for CA as like me, but she pasted the referral code place and it was asking like giving like please give a valid URL like that.
So basically, a CA cannot refer another CA for now, but you can definitely use up your referral code for having program manager, for having the PAs, mentors, and contributors up in the program.
Okay, ma'am. And also, can I be like another? I was applying for another campus ambassador program. Also, is it okay with that?
Yeah. Definitely. But again, like we would have the point system and everything, so you would have to be up on your game here too. But we don't have any limitation to, and we won't restrict you to basically being part of only the singulars.
In the minutes, or in the spreadsheet, you said like you should share the minutes of the meeting. We can create a post in LinkedIn, and we can share that URL in the box which you have given in the spreadsheet, no, ma'am?
So minutes of meeting is actually key. Whatever discussion you had with the team, or whatever the uh the Yep, I hope Lavanya, your doubt is
Yeah.
answered.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Dweez, you can take up.
Yeah, so my doubt was regarding that, like I am in second year, so should I go for this GSOC or is it only for helpful for the first year students?
See, about open contribution, it's not limited to year. You're free to, join any year. That's totally up to you. I'll say if you wanna work as a contributor, go for it. It's gonna be amazing because we'll make sure that we have amazing projects and that can also help with your portfolio and skill set. So I won't say that it's limited to a year. That's completely fine.
Yeah, so I wanted to know when will the projects be given for the contribution?
So once we release the forms for PA and mentors,
Yeah.
we'll confirm them and then we'll start with contributors. So if you register as a contributor, then only you'll get the access to the projects mostly. So
Okay.
via GitHub, it will be done for the most part. But yeah, that's all there is to it.
Yeah, I think. Thank
Ma'am, I have to ask something.
Muskan, I'm really sorry to cut you short, but let's go, in the order.
No,
So
ma'am, not the question. Ma'am, I have to ask if someone has no question, can we leave?
yeah, sure. I think I said this. If you guys have your queries solved, then you guys are free to leave.
Thank you.
So Tejaswini, let's take up.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Tejashwini. So basically, I have noticed that there are two Discord channels, basically GSSoC 2025 and that GirlScript Foundation community, and
Yeah.
people are active in both. Could you please confirm which groups we should be following or like official updates or instructions? It's a bit confusion as conversation and happening is both. Just wanted to be sure where to stay updated.
Okay, so I'll say stay updated on GSoC 2025 because mostly we'll be, working there. The GirlScript Foundation one is for, it'll always be active because this is one, like the GSoC happens every year. So, but for this year, make sure you follow, like stay updated on GSoC 2025.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so GirlScript community is basically, it's a one common stop solution for each and every program. Like we have different programs throughout the year, right? By GirlScript Foundation, like Web3 Camp, which is also going to soon start soon, and then we have GSOC, and then education outreach and whatnot. So that would have, that is a long-term community that is built up. For each and every update, you would get an update there. But for GSOC 2025, the Discord channel with its name GSOC 2025 is the one where you would be getting all the, all these sources and everything for this particular program.
Okay, ma'am. Like it was just a confusion because people used to text both the side. That's why.
Yep, sure.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, is the recorded session is provided in the YouTube? Hello, ma'am.
Okay, Sanya, are you there?
Hello. Ma'am, is the recorded session provided on Discord for the clarification?
Ashwin, let's have one by one questions answered.
Okay.
Okay. Let's take up Rohan's doubt.
Yeah. Sorry, I got
Hello, ma'am.
network there.
Yeah. Let's take Rohan's doubt.
Yeah, hello, ma'am.
Anisha?
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello. Ma'am, I wanted to ask that if I want to encourage my classmates to participate in GSOC, so can I get a template of what exactly GSOC is so I can explain them better? Can you provide such thing?
Sure, we can. Or you could also take content from website or the PPT that would be shared, and let us know if that doesn't serve the purpose. We can definitely help you out with other things.
Ma'am, so how can I connect with you? All like via email or Discord only?
You can ask on Discord, but yeah, you can take the material about what GSoC is and everything from the GSoC website, the official website that's been already launched, or from the PPT too that the team would be sharing up, by Sunday latest.
Ma'am, also if I organize some offline or online events dedicated for my campus only, so will I get help from the main core team or something like that?
Yep, sure.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, then Arham, you can go next.
Yeah. I wanted to ask if, as a campus ambassador, I can also apply as a project mentor. And in that case, will any work I do as a project mentor contribute to the points I'm getting as a campus ambassador?
Okay, so project mentor is a different role. So those two roles, like if you're working as a project mentor, you will have separate point system for that. And for campus ambassador is separate. But yeah, you can definitely take like go for that role. You are not limited. Like it's not like that if you're only campus ambassador, then you'll only follow this role. So it's more, like tech based, but you can go definitely take up that role. That there's no limitation.
Okay, and another thing, can only campus,
Wait, Vedu, can you please mute yourself?
yeah. So I was asking if only,
Okay, let's have one by one, folks. Now let's take up our others.
Wait. I
it's
think Arham was not done. So let's
yeah,
complete Arham's doubt.
Okay.
I still have a doubt.
Yeah, go on.
Are only campus ambassadors allowed to participate in the admin, mentor, or contributor roles, or can a non-campus ambassador participate as well?
They can participate. Everyone can participate. There's no limitation to that.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Okay, I think we can take up Aradhya next. So, Aradhya, you can ask your doubt.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, so I would just want to ask that when the registration for the contributors and the program mentor and coordinator will begin?
We are almost done with the backend work, so we'll mostly begin by next week.
And are we supposed to register from the website itself, or are we going to get certain link in the Discord?
We'll share that up with you guys. Once we, publish that, we'll share everything with you guys.
Okay, so like if I just want to work as a contributor as well, so kind of the evaluation scale for the contributor and for the campus ambassador would be different, right?
Okay, just a second, Aradhya. Siriveru Mahendra, can you please mute yourself? I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. I'm really sorry if I'm wrong. Okay, Aradhya, can you please
Yeah.
ask the question again?
Yeah, so I was asking that if I want to just contribute as well, and so the evaluation scale for as a contributor and as a campus ambassador would be different, right?
Yeah, they'll be completely different because for contributors, we'll be, discussing with program admins. Based on their projects, we'll have but it will be shared with you guys. Like if you're applying as a contributor, we'll have a separate orientation for you guys and we'll share everything related to that.
Okay, so like also just a small doubt.
Yeah, sure.
Like, do we have to prepare proposals for the organizations participating, or it's like open, we can start contributing without any certain proposals?
I think Raksha can take this up.
I missed your question. Could you repeat, please?
Yeah, so I was asking that if I want to contribute in a particular organization, so do I need to prepare a proposal for the same, or I can start contributing without any proposal?
Yeah, there is no proposal that's required. Once you are in as a contributor, you feel free to contribute to as many as projects as you want, and that you could decide it on the runtime as well. So yeah.
Okay, so is there any eligibility criteria there?
No, it's just your enthusiasm and your zeal to contribute more. Rest is there is no eligibility.
Okay, thank you so much, Raksha and Sanya, for answering my doubts.
Thank you. Let's take up Ankur next. So, Ankur, you can ask.
Hello, ma'am. I'm audible.
Yeah, you're audible.
Ma'am, I want to ask that if we become project admins, can we list our own personal project as open source for contributors in GSoC?
See, that's totally up to you because whichever project the project admins will pitch, they have their own ownership and it'll be public, right? So that's completely up to you. If you're okay with giving your personal projects, that's also fine with us.
Yep, and if you would want your own personal projects to be in, we would suggest like applying as a project admin because then you have a
Yeah.
high possibility of getting a project selected. But yeah.
Okay.
Do you have any other doubt? I guess not. Okay, let's go with Anisha next. Anisha, are you there?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, could you please tell us the different ways to earn more points so that we can achieve higher badges?
Okay, so about the eligibility points for the categories, we'll be sharing it with you guys, not now, but later. Like first, for the first few 1 to 2 weeks, we'll want to see your performance, and then we'll share it with you guys. Don't worry about that.
Okay, ma'am. On Discord, right? Or on mail?
Mostly on Discord, but we'll also mention it somewhere on the spreadsheet, so you can like keep a track of it.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, do we need to join as a contributor in order to participate, or we can only be campus ambassador?
That's totally up to you. If you wanna contribute as a contributor, it's totally up to you. Like we have no limitations or no criteria for that, because every like judgment or like what do you call metric for each role is completely different from each other, so there's no clash.
Okay, ma'am. Lastly, I want to ask that as a campus ambassador or a contributor, which will be having more points? Which will be more?
That okay, so there's nothing like that. Okay, for contributor, it's totally up to you. Like it's depends on how much you want to work or how much you contribute to a project. Campus ambassador, it's about how much you do publicity or like how much you show your creativity and your develop your skill set. So those are two separate categories.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
And wait, Rahul, I'm really sorry, but let's take up Archana first because she was waiting for a long time. No.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Archana.
Ma'am, I was having doubt like if now I'm a campus ambassador, so if I have been like I want to start as a contributor, then I have to apply for that also.
Yeah, you have to apply separately for if any other role you want to apply for.
Campus ambassador point and contributor points are same or else they are different calculations.
There are different
Points.
calculations. Like, I think someone also asked this question. Like they're completely different.
Okay, ma'am, and another last question. Like, if I don't have Instagram ID, but I want, if I have shared in the WhatsApp community groups, should I share that link also in the Excel sheet?
Okay, so for WhatsApp, I am not sure if you can share the link, but you can share the
Yeah,
screenshot.
screenshot. I can share screenshot, but not link, ma'am. That's what I have.
Yeah. For WhatsApp, I think you might have to like share the screenshot. But we hope you shared on other social media because WhatsApp is also for a limited, right?
Yeah, ma'am. My WhatsApp is also limited.
So
And
for LinkedIn, okay.
okay.
So just one thing, if you
Okay.
apply if you share something via LinkedIn, it also increases your reach because companies also kind of see like how active you are there, like how you promote something and else.
Yeah, ma'am. But nowadays, like I'm seeing some of the other persons' LinkedIn are getting restricted, like they cannot post something happening. So I was asking.
For that, it depends. Like as far as I have heard, it I'm not like I think they posted something, kind of offensive. Like that's what I heard.
Okay.
But I'm not. I don't think like we won't give you guys any that task where your LinkedIn's get restricted or something.
Okay, ma'am. And last question, like we have to post now orientation day also on the LinkedIn, like related now event, like a session happened, right?
Okay, I think Raksha had something to say. So Raksha, you can continue.
Yeah, I was just adding on to the point कि basically hate speech where they detect and filter out, but the LinkedIn people, but it's not on the the main the post that you add up, not on each and every post. But yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, for the last question, can you repeat the last question again?
Like, should I have to post now orientation day session also?
No, no, it depends on the task. So those tasks are not final; those are sample tasks that I've showed you. Like
Okay.
you might see some of them, like there, and we remove and add something. So those are just sample tasks. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, Cyril, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Okay, very left. It's okay. Vinay, you can go next. Vinay, are you there?
Hello,
I.
ma'am. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, okay. Wait, Sarah, you were there, so yeah, you're
I
audible.
lowered my hand accidentally.
It's okay. What's your doubt?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm a bit confused about the content for each poster. I believe you'll be providing the content within 12 hours, right? And we need to reach the people within those 12 hours and we need to update with you, right? Or how it works actually.
Okay, so based on the task, about the content, we'll also give you the freedom. We'll give you the basic idea what we want from the post. So it's up to your creativity and content, like whichever you want to go about, and that's how we'll do. Like, there's no
Um,
limitation to that.
Ma'am, I'm actually asking about the time limit. Like, you will be giving the task within the 12 hours and we need to complete them within those 12 hours. Is that right?
No, no, we'll give you the task. You have 1 week to complete them. We won't be that cruel to you guys. Don't worry.
Okay. So, and after
In
the next week, we need to update that, right?
Yeah, let's say we give you the task next month, this Monday onwards, and next Sunday, you guys have to upload the links for everything. So it's up to you whenever you want to share. That's completely up to you.
Okay, ma'am. So, like promoting GSoC, are we limited to just sharing these posters, or can we conduct any events in our college? And will you guys help for that?
Yeah, if you need help for us, like you let us know. We'll definitely try our best to help you guys out.
Okay.
If
Either online or
it's,
offline, is that fine?
yeah, it's mostly online, but if you wanna, have it offline, we'll try to help you out for that.
Okay, ma'am. That's about it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, now Vinay, thank you so much for your patience. Let's go.
Uh, what will be the exact time of Google contributor?
Sorry, I didn't get your question properly. Can you please repeat?
What would be the expected time to start the Google contributor program?
Google contributor is something different.
Google
So
Summer of Code contributor more.
this is GirlScript summer of code.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Is that all you wanted to ask?
Yes.
Okay, Rahul, thank you so much for waiting. You can take up next.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, actually, I am here to ask how many people can be a CA in same college?
How many people?
Can be campus ambassador from same college? Actually, in my college, more than two people are got selected in campus ambassador program.
I think Raksha can take up.
I'm sure. Sorry, guys, I missed your doubt. What was it again?
Uh, Ma'am, actually, I was asking that how many people can participate in CA forum from same college?
How many people can? Your voice is breaking a bit.
Yeah. Actually, how many people can participate in uh, same program like CA from same college?
So we don't have any limitation for people participating as a campus ambassador itself, or as any of the other three programs that we have in GSOC, because again, like you guys can always, team up and pair up and enjoy the same amount of benefits, earn points and motivate each other, collaborate, and it would be a great teamwork if multiple people would be there from the same college. So yeah, so for that reason we had not kept any limitation this year, but yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Just because three people from my college are selected in this.
That should be fine. You guys could actually team up and have events together. So once you get to know about the tasks, you would also like you could actually motivate and help out each other in completing those tasks and earn up more points. So that would be a win-win situation for all three of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yep.
Okay,
Also, you
Rahul.
guys can just want to add one thing. So you guys can also cross collaborate across multiple colleges and have cross college events as well. So that is also one thing that you guys can think of. Okay, but yeah, next let's move ahead.
Okay. So, Rahul, is that all you wanted to ask?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Then, Kushi, you can take up next.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
As you have shown our first task, which is to submit minutes of meeting, but in that, I think we have to write about the meet we have discussed, right?
Okay, so about that, uh, it can be, like you can let us know whatever you understood from this meeting, and you can also mention like where are the like you found loopholes, or you want us to help you solving your doubt with, because we understand that there might be some point or places where we might not have been able to help you guys out. So we also wanna help, like make sure that you have no confusion regarding anything and you guys are comfortable with
Okay.
the entire event. So that's all there is to it. Just mention
Okay,
whatever you
ma'am.
understood and wherever you want clarity on, and the
If
feedback
there
should be
is any query, I have to mention that.
yeah.
Okay.
Just mention everything.
Do
Okay.
we get points for this?
Yeah, every task you do, we have
Uh,
point system for that, because like we said, we make sure that no, like hard work goes unrewarded. We make sure that you guys are rewarded appropriate points for that. So that's it.
Okay, as you said that we have to make our own creatives for promotion. Is there any specific color code do we have to follow?
That is also up to your creativity. Like I don't think we're limited to that. Are we, Raksha?
No, not at all.
Okay,
So that's
then
totally up to your creativity.
okay. Is this necessary to submit this link? Means I have to post it on LinkedIn. Then after I have to do it in Docs. I can do it in Docs and I can give the link only, no?
No.
It's not
So
necessary to post it.
if a task is about posting something, then you have to share the social media handle ka link.
I
But if
am
it's
talking about this task only, the doc file one.
no, if it's about just sharing your feedback, then you don't have to post it.
Okay, okay,
Like
ma'am.
we'll
Thank you.
mention the word circulate or posting if we want you guys to share something. But if it's only about writing something, then you guys don't have to post.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, Ansh.
Yes, ma'am, is the CA form are active now?
Yeah, the CA forms are active.
Like, ma'am, my another doubt is I don't have a Twitter account. What should I do? Fill in that.
That's fine. Leave it open. That's not an issue. Like you can submit without your Twitter account as well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, Ratrika. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correct. I'm so sorry if I'm wrong. You can take a
Good evening, ma'am. Yeah, it's Ratrika.
Ratrika. Okay, I'm so sorry.
I actually wanted to ask about the admin and the contributor. It was not clear what you said. Can you explain?
Project admin and the contributor, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so project admins are the owners of the projects. You can say like they share their projects that they want more, to be that needs to be worked on. Contributors are the one who find the loopholes in the project. That okay, the let's say the nav bar is not properly done. You want to work there. You just mention it that okay, nav bar is not done. I want to work there, or you want to work on the footer of the website, or you want to work on the content or the margin or anything related to depending on the project. So that's where contributors help. When it comes to mentors, they are the ones who guide the contributors because we understand that there might be some languages that are very new to you. Let's say if some people might not know how to work with JavaScript or CSS, so mentors are there to help you guys out if project admins are not there.
So basically, admins have to provide their idea to the contributor.
They share the projects. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, Ankush, thank you so much for waiting this long. You can take up next. Ankush, are you there? Okay, I hope everyone's doubts were solved.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Rahul.
Ma'am, like you earlier said that we have to post the promotion certificates on our social media. Ma'am, can we make a new one for that?
Can
Like,
we what?
yeah, ma'am, like if I make new accounts for specific for GShop for posting their like poster and all.
I'm really sorry. I think my network is glitching. Raksha, can you take this up?
Sure, I
Hello,
had been answering questions on the spot, but yeah, could you please repeat?
ma'am, am I properly audible? Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, I was asking like if I make new social media accounts for GSOC promotional activities like sharing poster and all.
Your voice is a bit unclear, but I got the part. Is it about GSoC promotions
Yeah, ma'am.
and color coding, or
No, ma'am.
like what?
It's about like can I make new social media accounts for promotions of GSOC only?
A new social media accounts for GSoC promotions? Yeah, sure. Like that is up to you. That we are not limiting you to use your private accounts, but again, like the reach is what should matter, and it should look authentic because I guess if it's like again, I think the Instagram also does detect, if it's a newly created account and it's just promoting up. So I think you would have to take care of that. Otherwise, we do not have any restrictions as such.
Hello, ma'am. I have same related question to it. Can
Uh,
I ask?
yeah. Plus, but let's have Rahul's question first. Rahul is the question answer.
Actually, my question is related to the previous question. That's why I'm asking it now.
Okay, sure. Go ahead.
That new account. I just want to ask that the account we didn't mention in the CA form account ID. We didn't mention it. So we can continue to the next, or we can continue to the new accounts.
So that would make our tracking a bit difficult. You can actually probably, Sanya, can they edit that account in the Excel sheet? And
We'll give them the commenter access. So yeah, if there's any changes to be made, they can just put the comment in that cell, and we'll add it up.
yep. But please make sure like that is only editable till Sunday, 10 p.m. So yeah.
Yeah, make sure you put any changes in the 12 hour slot timing we have.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. I thought someone's hand was raised. Oh, no, not there. Okay. We hope that your doubts were solved. Abhishek. Okay. Yeah, I thought I saw your hand was raised. You can ask your doubt.
Ma'am,
Abhishek, are you speaking?
ma'am, hello, hello, ma'am.
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, ma'am, I have a question. If you try to promote this in my campus with offline event, how can your team will help us?
If you want to promote our, let me get this straight. You are asking if you want to promote GSOC on your campus, how will our team help you, right?
Yeah.
So I think Raksha can also pick this up as I'm not sure.
Sure. What kind of support would you require?
Like
Sorry.
guide, guide or financial something.
So we don't do sponsorships for the moment. Uh, but yeah, like we can discuss
If
this
we
like
want to want,
offline as well. Like, yeah.
uh,
And what
ma'am,
kind of
if we want to do uh, webinar related to that
I'm sorry,
offline,
Rahul. I think you're not audible properly.
hello,
Yeah. Now can
am
you
I
ask
audible?
again? Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, I was asking that if I want to host any offline program like webinar in our university, so can your team help us for in that case?
We can definitely discuss.
But we don't have any financial support or financial sponsorship that we can provide at the moment. But yeah, we can provide help you guys with the content or anything. But yeah, it would extremely be preferred if you guys can, take the ownership of conducting that entire event.
Like ma'am, in that case, I know offline webinar may be difficult for you guys, but like just we are doing virtual meeting in that. Hello.
Uh, yeah, go. Yeah, Raksha, you can take this. It's fine.
No, I was just saying that his voice is not audible. Are you able to hear him clearly, Kya, properly?
No, no, not really. I just heard something about virtual seminar. I think.
Actually, ma'am, I was asking that previously I have asked about offline webinar meeting.
Hmm.
I know it is difficult for you guys to go in every college and give webinar meeting. Can you please host any like virtual meeting in that case?
Yeah, yeah, you definitely can host it up online and have people connected. That's extremely, extremely a valid choice. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Yeah, go on, Rahul.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm all over.
Okay. Um, do we have any other doubts?
Okay, I just saw a third cut out if it's a good to make a video like explaining GSOC and its things. So yeah, sure, you can go ahead with explaining a detailed explanation about GSOC, and if you would want a reference show, that is also there on the website, and we do have a video up on our main website as well for this. You can take a reference, or you can also upload your videos and then tag our YouTube channel and other social media. So yeah, that's also possible.
A third is your doubt. I need a date that could be helpful to the next things.
I needed dates. I didn't get your question.
I need the dates that could be reliable for me to be more precise. Um, About making the video, it's up to you. Like totally up to you. Whenever you're free, you wanna go about it, we can go. Contributor dates and other dates. Okay.
So we will release up the dates and everything soon, even on the website, and then you can take a reference for it from it. Yeah.
Do we have to share it on every social media handle or one of these? Sydney, that's up to you. We have no limitations for that. If you're okay with sharing it up to, that's fine. But if you share it on more, social media handles, we definitely have brownie points for that as well. Okay. Any other query? I hope not. Then, Raksha, I think we are good to go, right?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, team. Thanks, folks, for joining in.
Yeah.
And
Thank you so much for your time, guys, and thank you so much for your patience for staying this late with us.
exactly. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks for replying. Thanks for your interest. Let's have it till the end and let's make it a successful event. Yeah. Thanks, everyone, for joining in.
Let's make the most of it, right? So thank you so much. Have a good night.